Hi everyone, welcome to Adharshila Coding Classes. In today's video, we are going to learn what is artificial intelligence and let's understand its concept. Human brain has the ability to think, read, learn, remember, reason, and pay attention. Such capabilities are termed cognitive skills. The term intelligence is used for cognitive skills, that is, connected with the process of understanding and the thinking ability of humans and animals. We may also call it as natural intelligence. But what is artificial intelligence? This terminology comprises of two words, artificial and intelligence. Artificial refers to something that is not natural or is made by man. AI is then intelligence demonstrated by a computer or machine. It can also be referred as machine intelligence. Or in other words, we can say AI is described as machines having human like cognitive skills of learning and problem solving by making decisions in such a way that they can associate with human minds. Today, AI contributes much to our human lives, industries, including retail, healthcare, manufacturing, agriculture, insurance, and finance. They are already harnessing the benefits of AI. They can process vast amounts of data than humans can and several times faster. AI has five basic components: learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. I hope you understand the concept of AI. For more such videos, do like, share, and subscribe to Adharshila Coding Classes.